Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You must begin with the charger unplugged and cable straight. Lay the cable flat and run your fingers from tip to adapter to remove twists. This prevents strain later. Once done, hold the adapter end in your non-dominant hand and fold the cable back to find its natural midpoint. Make sure to leave the MagSafe or USB-C connector accessible. Now position the midpoint over the adapter head so the cable can be wrapped neatly in even loops around the adapter body. You'll wrap the cable in consistent loops around the adapter, keeping tension gentle to avoid internal wire stress. Start wrapping from the adapter body toward the plug, making each loop lie flat against the previous one. This creates an even coil that resists kinking. Once you have 3 to 4 snug loops, use the remaining short length to form a small securing loop. Make sure to tuck the connector or plug into that securing loop. This anchor prevents the roll from coming undone in your bag. Finish by securing the coil with the charger's built-in strap, a short Velcro tie, or a reusable cable tie. Do not bind tightly. Place the wrapped adapter in a padded pouch or separate pocket to avoid pressure on the loops. If the coil pops loose, rewrap using the same gentle tension and retuck the connector. If you notice fraying, exposed wires, or the cable heats during use, stop using it immediately and replace or service the charger to prevent damage or hazard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.